Hey everyone, welcome back to Crazy Tech Tricks. In this video, I will show you how to factory reset your Windows 11 PC. This can help fix problem, improve performance or prepare your computer for a new user. So let's get started. Firstly, go to Start menu. Here you will search for Settings, then open Settings. Now click on System from the left menu. Scroll down till last. Here you will see Recovery. Click on Recovery. Under recovery options, click reset PC. Here you will see reset this PC. Click on it. Then you have choose an option like keep my files or remove everything. If you keep my files, keep your personal files safe, remove apps and settings. If you click on remove everything, it will delete everything on this PC. Good if you are selling or giving away the computer. Choose the option you need. Then I will select keep my files. Here you will see two options. Select cloud download Windows from Microsoft, or local reinstall, use files already on your PC. Then click on next, choose from one and then click on next. Wait until Windows finish resetting. So I am not reset my PC, so I will cancel this. That's it. You have successfully factory reset on Windows 11 PC. If this video helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more easy tech tutorial. Thanks for watching.